Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors, ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors, Halat ko ni Shillong, ringkat baka net foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobyeng Jongpi.
Shen ke Sorkar kan Pyntreikam no daki school bus ban late shaw ban late on ya ki kena school hagani ganong ba shlong kenang ban weng ya ke jing Dheng kali ka bala nang jor hado kata-kata kat banang mi kisngi. Menteri jong katanat puli puthi ke Sorkar jilla uba la kben remboi haga jing ya keren bat kilat pathai khubor ulaong baka Sorkar hado menta kadang wa di kilat kilenti ban weng ya kene ke jing namar ba hado menta 4 la satya ban tip kat no teli ki school bus ban Pyntreikam hanong ba shlong bat kat no teli hanong ba tura.
No, the chief minister has already announced on the floor of the house, and it's reflected also in the budget. So nitty-gritty of the project is being worked out, and in due course of time, it will be implemented. Process is on, so we will see after working all the challenges, all the things, then we will do accordingly. We have not determined for how many schools, but the project is on, and how many in Shillong, how many in Tura, that I have not, I have no information. So the CM is working on it, but whatever initiative is for the best interest of the student community of the state. Yes, the idea is to ensure that traffic congestion is reduced in Shillong, but I have already briefed last week that we also have the challenges while implementing this project. So that's why we have to see once it is rolled out that necessary challenges have been sought out so that this project will become successful. The budget is 100 declared by the CM, so we will see.